Hi, I'm Dave Russell. Today I wanted to show you how to teach your horse to stand near the mounting block and make that the good place, the comfort place, the place where they want to go. So I simply ask them to move their feet. It can be around the mounting block, it doesn't matter. We'll get into a different video on how we circle, but now I just want to use the concept and getting the horse to find a place where he can rest and just stand still. So you can go, like I said, you can go around the mounting block. You could be completely away, well not completely away, but move away from the mounting block, make him uncomfortable over here, and leave him alone over there. So a little bit of discomfort over here, not much, and then comfort over there. So you've got the concept of creating a comfort place, generally where I've got my back to the place. So we're going to ask him to, stop, and it doesn't matter that, so now I'm going to offer the place where, so that's a separate video, him not stopping then, that's okay, we'll talk about that. So I'm actually going to offer a place where he can stand still and get it exactly where you want it, not half where you want it, just get it exact. So when he gets exactly where I want, I can drop the rope and leave him alone. So this is not about getting on at this point. This is showing him a place of relaxation first, and then let him rest there. Let him rub, let him rest, rub him, and leave him alone. If he still wants to fiddle around, like as soon as you get on the mounting block, he goes, I know what that means, I'm going to move away. That means you're going to ride me, and start to move their bum out like that. That's okay. Let's say he did that. I'm going to ask him to move his bum out. But let's say he just did that and you go, oh damn, never mind. So what I would do, got to get up there, Lee, just keep leaning on me. What I'm going to do is actually ask him to move around. I can stand on the mounting block if I want, or get down if you're going to get dizzy and fall off it. Go around. Come down. Like I said, I quite often stand on the mounting block. Now I'm going to spiral around, and I'm actually not going to tell him to stop this time. I don't know why he's speeding up, but anyway. I'm actually not going to tell him to stop. I'm going to keep a rope over his neck. It's kind of good because he's actually not really offering it right now. So I'm going to wait for the spot. Okay, so this isn't a mounting block problem, this is I can't stand still problem. So he needs to do a bit more work. Okay, that was a little bit of an overreaction there. So this is just a little fresh, he's a little fresh right now, so let him be. Oh, apparently there's something down there. So just let him get all his little, move his feet, let him move his feet however he wants. So let's just offer that again and go, would you like to stand still and relax? So it just happens to be here, that's all. So, there we go. So I'm going to relax and drop the rope where I'd like him to stand. I don't want to pull on him, it's just a release of the rope. So that's going to be hard to get. So like I said initially, your horse is going to probably wander around and keep walking around. He doesn't know the answer, especially when you release the rope. So you get him where you want and you're going to release instead of pull on it. It's a relax. So it seems really weird that your horse is going to stop when that happens, but that's how I want to do it. So it's going to take a little while. You're going to have to lead them around again because they're not going to get the old, I don't know where to stop cue. And the last thing I want you to do is pull on their face, which is actually going to disengage their hips to the outside. So this is a way that I go about teaching the horse how to find the answer at the mounting block. And then from there, you're going to do things like, all right, can my horse bend his neck? Great, and then give it back to him and give him a little rub again. I do this both sides, so I've only done it on the near side. I will do it on the off side as well. Just for the sake of not boring you, I'll stick to this side for now. But I would definitely do the off side as well. You've got to work on both sides of your horse. All right, so from here, I'm going to now, once I get a band, let's get a little bit of a band. You don't need much, but as long as they're not looking to the outside, I'm going to lift my leg and see if it's okay. Does it move? Yes, it is. I could reward that. Then the next part I could do is I could lift my leg, put it in the stirrup. Good, he's okay with that. Reward that, and go through the process until I get on my horse. That's a whole separate video, which we will cover. But this is basically what I wanted to teach you. It's teaching the horse to desire to stop at a particular spot. Could be an obstacle. In this case, it's the mounting block. Hopefully that helps. I'll see you soon.